Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will talk about small talk. Small talk is a short, friendly conversation that people have before talking about serious topics. Americans and Europeans use it all the time.
Yes, small talk is easy, but it's also very important. It helps you make friends and feel comfortable in English.
Exactly. Let's start with the first tip. The first rule of small talk is always start with a greeting.
Right. You can say, "Hi, how are you?" or "Good morning." It's simple but very polite.
Yes, and when someone asks, "How are you?" you can answer in a natural way. For example, "I'm good, thanks." And you?
Many beginners just say "good" and stop, but adding "and you" makes it friendly.
Exactly. Tip number 2, talk about the weather.
Oh yes, the weather is a very common topic. Everyone can talk about it.
For example, you can say, "It's really sunny today, isn't it?" Or, "It's a bit cold today."
And the other person can answer, "Yes, I love sunny days." Or, "I prefer warmer weather."
Perfect. This is a safe topic because it's neutral and everyone understands it.
Tip 3, ask simple questions about daily life.
Yes, you can ask, "Did you do anything fun today?" Or, "How was your weekend?"
This makes a conversation more interesting. People like to talk about themselves.
Exactly. And don't forget to listen carefully. Show interest by nodding or saying, "Oh, really?" Or, "That sounds great."
That's very important. If you don't listen, the small talk won't feel real.
Tip 4, share something small about yourself.
Oh, like a short story or experience?
Yes, for example, "I went to the park this morning. It was very peaceful."
Then the other person can respond and the conversation continues naturally.
Exactly. Tip 5, smile and use body language.
Smiling is universal. It makes you friendly and approachable.
Yes, even simple gestures like nodding or looking at the person when they speak help. Small talk is not just words, it's also how you show interest.
So we learned 5 tips. Start with a greeting, talk about the weather, ask simple questions, share a small story, and smile.
Yes, and if you practice these tips every day, you will feel more confident speaking with Americans and Europeans.
Exactly. Remember, small talk is not about talking a lot, it's about connecting naturally.
Perfect. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. James, we continue with more tips for small talk.
Great. I want to sound more natural in English conversations.
Perfect. Tip number 6 is talk about hobbies.
Yes, hobbies are always fun to discuss.
Exactly. You can ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?" Or, "Do you have any hobbies?"
And then listen carefully. People love to share their interests.
Yes. You can also share your hobby. For example, "I like painting in my free time. What about you?"
This makes the conversation balanced. Both people talk and listen,
Tip 7 is talk about recent events.
like news or small personal events.
Yes, both work. For example, "Did you see the new movie?" Or, "I went to a nice cafe yesterday."
That's good because it gives something to talk about without being too personal.
Exactly. Tip 8, use simple compliments.
Compliments are fun.
Yes, for example, "I like your shoes," or "Your presentation was great." But keep it simple and polite.
So compliments make people feel good and open the conversation.
Exactly. Tip 9, show curiosity.
How can I do that naturally?
Ask follow-up questions. For example, "My hobby is gardening."
Oh, really? What do you like to grow?
Ah, that keeps the conversation going and shows interest.
Yes. And tip 10, end the small talk politely.
Oh, how do you do that? You can say, "It was nice talking to you," or "I hope you have a great day."
Ah, that's polite and leaves a good impression.
Exactly. Small talk is about connecting naturally, not about talking a lot.
These 10 tips are simple, but if I practice, I can speak more confidently.
Yes. Today we learned talk about hobbies, recent events, give compliments, show curiosity, and end politely.
Perfect. I can already think of questions to ask my friends and colleagues.
Yes, and remember, practice is key. The more you try these tips in real conversations, the easier it becomes.
I'm excited to use them today. Small talk feels less scary now.
James, let's continue with more small talk tips that make conversations natural and smooth.
Yes, I want to sound confident when I meet new people.
Perfect. Tip number 11 is ask about work or studies.
Oh, that's common. But how can I do it naturally?
You can say, "What do you do for work?" or "Where do you study?" Then listen carefully to their answer.
And I should ask a follow-up question?
Exactly. For example, "I work in marketing."
Oh, really? What kind of marketing do you do?
Ah, that keeps the conversation going and shows interest. Tip 12 is talk about food.
Everyone likes food.
Yes, you can ask, "Do you like coffee?" or "Have you tried this restaurant?"
It's easy and casual. People enjoy talking about food.
Exactly. Tip 13 is talk about travel.
Oh, travel is always interesting.
Yes, you can ask, "Have you traveled anywhere recently?" or "What's your favorite country?"
Then the other person can share their experiences and I can share mine too.
Exactly. Tip 14 is talk about TV, movies, or series.
Ah, yes. Pop culture is a safe topic.
Yes, you can ask, "Did you watch the latest episode?" or "Do you like this series?"
This is fun because most people have something to say.
Exactly. Tip 15 is use short phrases to show interest.
Like what?
For example, "Oh, really? That's interesting. Wow." These are small words, but they make you sound engaged and friendly.
So even a few words can make a big difference.
Yes. Tip 16 is avoid controversial topics.
Like politics or religion?
Exactly. Small talk should be light and friendly. Avoid anything that can make the conversation uncomfortable.
Tip 17?
Tip 17 is match your tone and energy with the other person.
What does that mean?
If someone is calm, be calm. If someone is energetic, show energy. This makes the conversation feel natural and comfortable.
Ah, I see. It's like adjusting to the other person.
Exactly. Tip 18 is share small personal experiences.
That sounds familiar.
Yes. For example, "I tried cooking a new recipe yesterday. It was delicious." This invites the other person to share their experience too.
Perfect. Tip 19 is use humor lightly.
Yes. A small joke or smile can make the conversation more enjoyable.
And tip 20?
Tip 20 is practice makes perfect.
Ah, yes. I need to try these tips every day.
Exactly. If you practice, small talk will feel easy and natural. Tip 21 is comment on your surroundings.
Ah, like noticing things around us.
Exactly. For example, "This cafe is really cozy, isn't it?" Or "I like the music they are playing."
That's easy, and it starts a conversation naturally.
Yes. Tip 22 is talk about shared experiences.
What do you mean?
If you are at an event, you can ask, "How do you like the presentation?" or "What do you think about the concert?"
Ah, so we talk about something you both experience at the moment.
Exactly. It creates an instant connection. Tip 23 is give short opinions.
How can I do that without being too serious?
Use phrases like, "I think it's great," "I like it," or "It's interesting." Keep it simple and friendly.
Short opinions are safe and natural.
Yes. Tip 24 is ask for recommendations.
Oh, like asking for food or movies.
Exactly. For example, do you know a good restaurant around here? Or can you recommend a movie?
People love giving advice, so it keeps the conversation going.
Tip 25 is follow up on previous topics.
Can you explain?
If you talked about hobbies before, you can ask later, did you go hiking last weekend? Or did you finish your painting?
That shows I'm listening and care about the person.
Exactly. Tip 26 is share positive experiences.
Like happy stories.
Yes, for example, I went to a park yesterday. It was beautiful. Positive stories make conversations enjoyable.
Tip 27.
Tip 27 is use small talk to build trust.
How do I do that naturally?
Be polite, interested, and respectful. Small talk shows you are friendly and approachable.
I see. So small talk is not just words, it's also showing good character.
Exactly. Tip 28 is adapt your questions.
Meaning,
If someone seems shy, ask easy questions like, do you like music? If someone is talkative, you can ask deeper questions.
adjust to the other person's mood and personality.
Yes. Tip 29 is practice active listening.
Oh, yes, that's important.
Nod, smile, and say short phrases like, I see. Really? That's interesting. This makes your conversation natural.
Tip 30.
Tip 30 is end the conversation politely.
How?
You can say, it was nice talking to you, or I hope we meet again soon. This leaves a positive impression. Tip 31 is show genuine interest in others.
That's very important. People like talking to someone who really listens.
Exactly. For example, if someone says, I love hiking, you can reply, oh, really? Where do you usually hike?
Short questions keep the conversation alive without pressure.
Yes. Tip 32 is use simple and friendly words.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Instead of saying, I find your story quite fascinating, you can say, wow, that's interesting.
That sounds much more natural and easy to say.
Tip 33 is share small positive experiences.
Like talking about my day?
Exactly. For example, I tried a new cafe today. The coffee was great.
Oh, small experiences make conversations light and enjoyable.
Tip 34 is ask follow-up questions.
Yes, we learned this before.
Right, but it's very important. Asking follow-ups shows you care and keeps the conversation flowing naturally.
I'll practice that a lot.
Tip 35 is end conversations politely.
Oh, how should I do that in a natural way?
You can say, it was nice talking to you, or I hope we meet again soon. Smile and show appreciation.
That's polite and leaves a good impression.
Thank you so much for following this series. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Yes, and keep practicing every day. Small talk will soon feel easy, fun, and natural.
We hope you feel more confident and ready to speak with anyone in English. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and stay chill.